Okay guys, just fully shut it down before you do anything with the laptop. Remove all the screw using your Phillips screwdriver. Okay guys, so you can either pull it out all around it, but the way I do it, I put my finger like that and I just pull out this bit over here that touches the back cover. So I just do that. It gives me a bit of a crack, and just that. Okay, just careful this connection. It seems that it's already been banged up already. Gently lift it up like that. Guys, this is the battery. When you order one, make sure you've got the part number correctly. This is the type, but more accurately, this is the part number. If you want to get the exact one with exact wattage, so make sure you get that. That's one thing. Second things, when you get the battery, make sure you don't lose this cable, because when you buy the battery, this one doesn't come with it. So you pull it out, if I can manage to do that. So that's the cable you need to keep, okay?